This temple of paper cuts in quiet layers. Fluorescent hums a lullaby of slow decays. Each polished floor reflects the sterile gleam, a silent promise of a broken dream. Beneath the buzz, a stillness starts to creep, while promises are buried 6 feet deep. But up above, a silk forgotten friend remembers falling, knows the bitter end. It breathes a rhythm slow and deep and vast, a secret whispered from a future past. Parachute in the lobby, nobody's coming down. Parachute in the lobby, spinning round and around. No one's ever leaving, no one makes a sound. Parachute in the lobby, nobody's coming down. See the tiles begin to drift and sway, like silent snowflakes on a muted day. Each loose square a ghost of what we knew, lost in the vastness, bone white and teal hue. The air grows heavy, thick with dust and doubt, as gravity decides to check us out. But up above, a silk forgotten friend remembers falling, knows the bitter end. It breathes a rhythm slow and deep and vast, a secret whispered from a future past. Parachute in the lobby, nobody's coming down. Parachute in the lobby, spinning round and around. No one's ever leaving, no one makes a sound. Parachute in the lobby, nobody's coming down. Mirrored stillness, double the despair. A second canopy hangs in the air, reflecting futures we will never claim, just empty echoes of a forgotten name. Two parachutes in the lobby, nobody's coming down. Two parachute in the lobby, spinning around and around. No one's ever leaving, no